Yes, check your database mail. Basically, say database mail feature was introduced in 2008, 2005 version. DB mail feature was introduced in 2005 version. So here see what is yeah, DB mail. In general, remember, yeah, whenever there is a runtime error, means what? Tomorrow like log shipping fail, mirroring fail, backup fail. By default, we know that SQL Server will write that error into error log, right? By default, we know every error which is raised in SQL Server is written in what? Error log. Error log. But remember, like tomorrow, same, I want to get the error message through email also. Means it should be recorded into error log plus automatically I want to get the same error through email. Okay, so that no need to go to error log, no need to check. So I will get the same error details through email. Then I will connect, I will start troubleshooting. Okay, yes, that is like what is the purpose of say like yeah database mail. Means what? To get automatically email notification whenever there is a runtime error, we are configuring database mail. Okay, right. Check here in general, by default, whenever there is a runtime error, SQL engine, SQL engine will write that error into error log. But along with the error, see, along yeah, it is common by default, but same error I want to get through email. Same error I want to get what? Through email. For that purpose, what we can do, like we can configure DB mail feature. Then if I configure DB mail feature, the same error will get what? Through email. We'll get the email with the same error. Then in that email, we have like a server name, in which server this error was there. Job name means which job is throwing this error. So we can connect to the server. We can plan for troubleshooting. We can plan for troubleshooting. Okay, that is like we have to understand here what is the purpose of DB mail. What is the purpose of DB mails here? Okay, yes. So that's for sure. Like we can configure the DB mail features. Yeah. So check it like one second. Right. So that's the purpose of DB mail. Configuration. Which configuration path? Database mail or what? Let's see. Configuration. No, we'll see. No, just we are discussing theory points. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now check here what I will do. Yeah. Understood, right? Purpose of database mail. What is happening here internally? Whenever there is a runtime error means whenever any error is there with something fail, backup fail, log shipping fail, mirroring fail, any error is there, runtime error is there. What we can do is here like this database mail, what it will do. Yeah, by default, SQL engine, SQL engine will submit the error. SQL engine will submit the error to database mail engine. separate engine is it. This database mail engine, what it will do, it will submit the error to SMTP server like smtp.gmail.com. Okay, smtp.optimizesql.com, for example here, SMTP server. Then this SMTP server will send the mail to the recipients here. Recipients are nothing but our team members. Okay, recipients are nothing but our DBA team members. We have to understand. Right, right. That is like, yeah, that's why to configure DB mail, same database mail configuration, errors, status, everything is recorded here in MSDB database. Same MSDB database. In MSDB database, one stored procedure is there here. SP send DB mail. SP send DB mail. By using this stored procedure, database mail is sent. By using this SP, database mail is sent. Here, like what this procedure is taking, it takes 4 parameters actually here. One is profile name, recipients our team members we have seen, subject and bodies here, 4 parameters. Profile name, recipient, subject and body. See, recipients are our team members, subject and body are automatically generated, depends on runtime error. Automatically generated depends on runtime error, like log shipping fail, mirroring fail, clustering fail. So automatically it is generated here. It is always not same. It will be changing. Depends on runtime error. But only we have to understand here profile name. We have to understand recipients. Already we have seen our team members' email IDs. Recipients. Only we have to understand profile name. We have to understand just. Right. So that's remember configuring database mail, configuring DB mail is nothing but remember creating profile. Okay, creating profile which can be used in this stored procedure. Just remember we are creating a new email profile we are creating which can be used in this stored procedure. Once again remember whenever we are creating one profile, okay, so in that profile remember we have to add some parameters we have to add. One is email ID we have to add, its password, SMTP server name, this SMTP server name, comma port number. Once again remember, basically remember like this email ID password which we are using in the profile, it is from email ID. Just remember, this is what from email ID. We have seen like 121 at airtel.in, no reply at hdfcbank.com, right? That's remember these are what from email IDs. We have to understand from email IDs. Okay, right, right. So this SMTP server name like smtp.gmail if you are using Gmail ID for practice purpose and its port number. Okay, check here like yeah. So yeah, this is like how we can yeah how we are configuring here like yeah for Gmail. So just remember for generally we have to remember here before starting this mail configuration, first step is what? we have to take these four details from our email server team. Okay, we have to take what these four details from our email server teams here. Okay, after taking these four details from our email server team, then we can start mail configuration. Mail configuration. Okay, right. But for practice purpose, you can use your own Gmail ID. Okay, so just for testing purpose. Okay, let's say we'll configure database mail, nothing but we are creating one profile. After configuring, then we can test this here by using this store procedure. Then we'll see how we are getting automatically email. We'll see. Okay, okay, okay. Check here. I will go to any one instance under management, same thing, database mail, configure database mail. Next, here, set up database mail by performing the following task. Create a new email profile. Check it. This database mail feature is not available. Would you like to enable? Yes, I am saying here. Okay. I want to enable this feature. I am saying first time. Remember, we have to enable the feature first time. First time. Okay, right. So that is like, yeah, how we are enabling the features here. Okay, check here, put here like any name, like profile names here, SQL profile one, any name, just SQL profile. Then in that profile already we have seen, we are adding one account details here. Okay, which will work as from email ID. Don't confuse from email ID. To email ID is what we can mention any email ID. Our actually our DBS email IDs we can mention as what two email IDs actually. Our team members email IDs will be two email ID. Okay, add share account name, any account name, same thing, SQL account one, any name. Here see, this is mentioning from email ID, my email ID, just for testing purpose. In real time, we are not using Gmail or Hotmail or something. We have to use our company mail IDs only. Okay, okay. Now check here. Here see server name smtp.gmail.com actually for Gmail. Actually, we have to take these details. 587 is the default port number for Gmail. SSL is required. Basic authentication. Same email ID pass. This email ID password. Just remember, whatever the email ID you are using, that email ID password we have to mention here. Means same this whatever the email ID you are using, daily you are using, right, to log in into Gmail, the same password we have to mention here. Okay, I will check. So, just 1 second. Okay, okay. We'll see. So okay, okay. Next, make the profile as public and default profile. Next, these are the parameters are there. Account retry attempts means how many times, suppose if Gmail server is busy, how many times it has to retry, for example. Okay, maximum file size which we can attach. Okay, some default parameters, finish. Check your profile configuration is completed successfully, or profile is ready, then we can send some test email. Okay, yeah, port number is fixed actually for Gmail. We can check in Google also for Gmail what is the port number. Already we have seen all these details will get from our SMTP team. Okay, yeah. Sritam, voice is lagging. Yeah, problem is there. Voice also now clear. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, okay. Check your configuration is done successfully. Profile is ready. Now we'll send the test emails here. Please select the profile name, some default subject, default body for testing purpose. Okay, we can, yeah, I can send the, now we can use here any email ID. These are our DBS email IDs here. Maybe we can use here multiple email IDs also. We can mention here semicolon, 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 multiple email IDs we can use. Okay, yes. Okay, just I'm using same subject body, but we'll see next whenever we create a job, whenever job failure, something happen, remember, we'll get automatically the job name here, server name, plus error message. Okay. It's saying that mail is placed in the mail queue with the item ID 1. Okay. Now, now I will check here whether mail was sent successfully or not. In MSDB, complete details are recorded. See, sysmail underscore all items. Okay, okay. Ticket sent successfully, it is saying here. Mail was sent successfully, it is saying. Okay, we can check actually in Gmail also. Yes, till now, sir, what we have done, we have configured the DB mail, we have tested working fine. If any errors are there, we can check the errors here. View database mail log. Here we can see errors. Means tomorrow, let's say if you are not getting email, you can see here errors. Okay, why it is not getting the mail? It may be internet is not working or whatever the error is, it will get the error message here. Error message. Okay, okay. Uh, yeah, we can see here. Means if any errors are there, we can check here its meaning. Okay. Next is here. Next here. Yeah. Now what I want, whenever there is a that job failed, something happened, I want to get email notification automatically. In that case here, what we can do is here. First, next steps here. Third step. We have seen two steps: configuring DB mail, sending test mail. Okay. Next third steps here. Go to agent properties. Here also here. Here also in agent properties also we have to make the profile as default profile. Agent properties here we have to make the profile as default profile here, so that we'll get automatically email notifications. Okay, check here. Alert system, enable mail profile, select the profile just now we have created. Okay. After that, here we have to restart the agent one time. Now remember. So now no need to mention what this profile name again and again. Only these three. Again, we have seen these two are automatically generated. Next steps here, we have to create a recipient list. Here see, by creating operator, we can mention here recipient list. Dating operator means not, remember, it's not data entry operators. Our team only. Our team only, DBA team only. We have to create here, see, DBA team email IDs. We can mention here. Name DBA team 1. Yeah, same thing here. We can mention here a list of email IDs with semicolon. Okay, to whom we have to receive the mail. List of email IDs. Okay, right. Our team members actually. We are mentioning here our team members. Okay. Uh, yeah, check here. Now almost all everything is ready with us. Already we have mentioned the profile name as default profile. We have restarted the agent. Next recipient, for recipients we have mentioned, see, our team we have mentioned, means our operator we have created, subject and body. Subject and body already it is not, we are not going to make it fix actually. It is, it depends on the error message. Automatically will get this subject and body is created automatically. Depends on what? Error message. Okay, we'll see. Okay, now check here. Okay, uh, next steps here. Next step, let's say I will create a job now. For example, whenever the job fail, automatically I want to get the email. Okay, whenever the job fail, whenever log shipping fail, whenever mirroring fail, automatically I want to get the email. Okay, yes. Okay, now check here what I will do. Like we can create a job. Whenever the job fail, we can mention that operator name which we have created just now. So we'll get automatically email notification. Okay, right, right. Okay, we'll configure that in tomorrow's class. Okay, I will create a job. Whenever the job fail, automatically we'll get email notification. Okay, so that we'll see what is the reason why the job fail. Depends on the reason, we can plan for troubleshooting. Okay, right. Okay, we'll continue again tomorrow. We'll work with the jobs and alerts as part of automation. After that, we'll go to log shipping. We'll start with high availability features. Right. Yes. Okay. Right. Thank you.